Hello, this is 2018 or 2026 Grade 8 English second semester model exam part 1 from question number 1 to question number 20. This exam is prepared by Bahir Dar City Administrative Education Bureau. Thank you. Here is a passage. Listen to the passage carefully and answer questions following it. The passage says, Artificial intelligence or AI is a technology that enables machines and computers perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It helps systems learn from data, recognize patterns and make decisions to solve complex problems. It's used in healthcare, finance, e-commerce, education and transportation, offering personalized recommendations and enabling self-driving cars. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the importance of artificial intelligence education has become more important than ever. As technology continues to shape various technologies, a solid understanding of artificial intelligence principles and applications is crucial for individuals and organizations alike. From autonomous vehicles to chatbots and smart home devices, artificial intelligence is permeating every aspect of our lives. It's no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality that transforming industries and revolutionizing the way people work and live. In order to go with the rapid pace of technological advancement, AI education is essential. By acquiring the importance of AI education, individuals gain highly developed skills that enhance their employability in a competitive job market. As artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent, there is a growing demand for professionals who can develop, implement, and manage artificial intelligence technologies. From data scientists to artificial intelligence engineers, the job market comes with opportunities for those with artificial intelligence education. Moreover, artificial intelligence enhances production and drives innovation. It has the potential to automate respective tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and provide valuable insights that inform business strategies. By investing in artificial intelligence education, organizations can remain competitive in their respective industries. This is the passage. Now, based on the above passage, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which one of the following is true about artificial intelligence according to the passage? A. It is a futuristic concept but not a present reality in transforming industries. B. It is a present reality that artificial intelligence transforming industries and revolutionizing the way people work and live. C. It is revolutionizing the way people work but not the way they live. D. It does not have any impact in any fields of work. The answer will be, it is a present reality that artificial intelligence transforming industries and revolutionizing the way people work and live. This is because the passage explicitly states that AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality that transforming industries and revolutionizing the way people work and live. Question number 2. In paragraph 5, line 2, the word vast is contextually understood as A. Small, B. Irrelevant, C. Useful, or D. Huge. Did you say huge? That's right, because in the context of analyze vast amount of data, the word vast describes a very large or huge quantity. Question number 3. What is the main idea of paragraph 4? A. Artificial intelligence is not a means to gain highly developed skills. B. Artificial intelligence does not create job opportunities for professionals, particularly for data scientists and engineers. C. Because of artificial intelligence education, individuals gain highly developed skills that enhance their employability in competitive job market. D. Artificial intelligence cannot be a cause for job opportunities in the current situation. The correct answer for this question is, because of artificial intelligence education, individuals gain highly developed skills that enhance their employability in competitive job market. Because the fourth paragraph focuses on how AI education provides individuals with skills that make them more competitive and employable in their job market. Good, let's go. Question number 4. Based on the above given passage, blank can be the best possible title of it. A. The importance of artificial intelligence education. B. The disadvantage of artificial intelligence. C. The status of artificial intelligence in India. Or D. Artificial intelligence education in Ethiopian schools. The answer is the importance of artificial intelligence education. The passage repeatedly emphasizes how crucial AI education is for individuals and organizations to keep up with technological advancements. Question number 5. In paragraph 1, line 2, the pronoun it refers to A. Machines, B. Human intelligence, C. Artificial intelligence, or D. Healthcare. If you say artificial intelligence, that's right. Because in the sentence, it helps systems learn from data. The pronoun it refers back to the subject introduced in the previous sentence, artificial intelligence or AI. Nice. Question number 6. Which one of the following sectors is not mentioned directly in the passage as artificial intelligence is useful for it? A. Healthcare, B. Finance, C. Transportation, or D. Hotel and tourism. The answer is hotel and tourism. The passage lists healthcare, finance, e-commerce, education, and transportation, but it does not mention hotel and tourism. Question number 7. In paragraph 1, line 2, the word recognize is contextually perceived as A. Understand, B. Show, C. Start, D. Draw. If you say understand, you are right, because in the context of machines learning from data to identify patterns, recognize is synonymous with understand or identify. Question number 8. To describe artificial intelligence education parallel with the rapid pace of technological advancement as it is: A. Essential, B. Not essential, C. Neither essential nor harmful, D. Impossible to say anything about it. The answer is essential. The passage states, in order to go with the rapid pace of technological advancements, AI education is essential. Question number 9. Why does the artificial intelligence help systems learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions? A. To change problems from simple to complex. B. To solve complex problems. C. Not to perform tasks efficiently. D. Not to enhance the productivity of organizations. The answer for this question is to solve complex problems. The passage mentions that learning from data and recognizing patterns allow AI to make decisions to solve complex problems.
If you are finding these explanations helpful so far, please take a second to hit the like button. It helps other students find this video. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next subject review.
Question number 10. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables blank and blank to perform tasks typically require human intelligence. A. People and machines. B. People and computers. C. Machines and computers. Or D. Computers and animals. The answer is machines and computers. The opening sentence defines AI as a technology that enables machines and computers perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. The next part is sentence comprehension. Question number 11. If I had won DV lottery, I would have gone to America. This means A. I won DV lottery, so I am now in America. B. I didn't win DV lottery, so I didn't go to America. C. I will go to America, though I don't win DV lottery. D. Although I win DV lottery, I don't go to America. The answer is I didn't win DV lottery, so I didn't go to America. This is a third conditional sentence. If I had won, I would have gone, which describes a past situation that did not actually happen. Question number 12. Lion is not as fast as cheetah. This means A. Both lion and cheetah are similar in speed. B. Lion is faster than cheetah. C. Cheetah is slower than lion. D. Cheetah is faster than lion. Lion is not as fast as cheetah means cheetah is faster than lion. The phrase not as fast as means the second subject or cheetah has more speed than the first subject, lion, in this case. Question number 13. Danawit barely drinks coffee. This is nearly the same as A. Danawit always drinks coffee. B. Danawit usually drinks coffee. C. Danawit never drinks coffee. Or D. Most of the time Danawit drinks coffee. The answer is Danawit never drinks coffee. Barely is an adverb of frequency meaning almost never or hardly at all, which is closest in meaning to never among the choices. The next part is vocabulary in sentence contexts. Question number 14. Many people engage in chicken investment because it is a blank business. A. Risky. B. Profitable. C. Destructive. Or D. Stagnant. The answer is profitable. People engage in an investment because they expect it to make money, meaning it is a profitable business. Question number 15. Ethiopian people built the Grand Renaissance Dam to blank electricity for domestic and commercial purpose to assure economic growth. A. Grow. B. Cultivate. C. Generate. Or D. Reduce. The answer is generate. The correct technical verb used for producing electricity is generate. Hence, the complete sentence will be Ethiopian people built the Grand Renaissance Dam to generate electricity for domestic and commercial purposes to assure economic growth. Let's go. Question number 16. Schools are the right place to blank the generation to make the young people strong people. A. Shape up. B. Confuse. C. Dissatisfy. D. Annoy. The answer is shape up. Shape up or to shape means to develop or influence the character of someone, which fits the educational context. Question number 17. On a charity day, every citizen of the country is expected to have blank to the needy people. A. Punishment. B. Donation. C. Warning. D. Narration. The correct word is donation. A charity day involves giving help or money, which is described as a donation. Hence, the complete sentence will be, on a charity day, every citizen of the country is expected to have donation to the needy people. Question number 18. Poverty eradication must be blank agenda in Africa as continent because of it is against humanity. Question number 18. Poverty eradication must be blank agenda in Africa as continent because it is against humanity. A. Public. B. Weightless. C. Irrelevant. D. Individual. The answer is public. Public agenda refers to a list of issues or problems that have the attention of government and the people. Hence, the complete sentence will be, poverty eradication must be public agenda in Africa as continent because it is against humanity. Question number 19. The diligent people accumulate wealth because they work day and night. The meaning of the word wealth is A. Resource. B. Fun. C. Advice. Or D. Support. The answer is resource. Wealth refers to an abundance of valuable possessions or money, which can be categorized as a resource. The last question, question number 20, it says, Abbe Gubenya was a prominent writer in Ethiopian literature. The meaning of the word prominent is A. Lazy. B. Outstanding. C. Weak. Or D. Shy. The answer is outstanding. Prominent means important, famous or outstanding.
That's it for this section of the exam. Great job on following through. If you want to review this entire exam on paper, you can download the complete PDF file for free. Just head over to Telegram and search for HaHu Tube. Our channel is packed with resources just like this one. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you in the next video.